Welcome to our review of Kraken, one of the most established crypto exchanges out there. Links to Kraken are in the description if you're interested. So what makes Kraken stand out in an increasingly crowded market? First, Kraken was built with a strong focus on security, making it a go-to choice for anyone concerned about the safety of their assets. Kraken consistently uses top-tier security protocols, including two-factor authentication, cold storage for digital assets, and strong encryption to keep user data secure. Kraken's platform is versatile and suits a broad range of users, from beginners to professional traders. For newcomers, Kraken offers an intuitive mobile app and a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to buy, sell, and monitor cryptocurrencies. The platform also provides rich educational resources to guide users through their crypto journey. For experienced traders, Kraken's Pro platform includes advanced trading tools, real-time charts, in-depth analytics, and support for features like margin trading, futures, and staking options for passive income generation. Kraken currently supports over 50 cryptocurrencies, including popular choices like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and smaller altcoins, giving traders a wide selection of options to diversify their portfolios. Its low fees, which decrease based on trading volume, are highly competitive, making it cost-effective for both casual investors and high-frequency traders. Customer support is another area where Kraken excels, with 24/7 assistance via chat and email to help resolve any issues users might encounter. Kraken is also highly regulated, which provides an added layer of trust for users based in the US, Europe, and other major markets. If you're looking for a secure, feature-rich platform with flexible tools for all experience levels, Kraken is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check the links in the description if you want to explore Kraken for yourself. If this review was helpful, please subscribe and like this video to support our channel and help others get informed.